Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah. Hey y'all, I'm back in this thing with another delicious recipe. And tonight, we having gumbo. Yes, sir. That's that classic comfort food right here, baby. You definitely finna be knocked out after a bowl of this. Oh, let me show y'all what y'all need. Get some shrimp, some chicken, some sausage, that holy trinity, baby, that onion, bell pepper, celery. I got my little garlic right there. Oh, and these bad boys right here, must have. You got to have these in your gumbo. Yeah, that's where that shrimp flavor really gonna pop. Here go your little seasonings right here. Garlic powder, onion powder, all that. I'm gonna have all this in the description. Don't even worry about that. Let's go ahead and get started on this chicken. I got some chicken thighs right here, boneless. You know, I don't really use these that much in the gumbo, but that's all I had. So I'm finna season these up right here, get them a little blackened up. Whatever chicken you use. I usually use drumsticks. I ain't gonna lie to you. I usually use drumsticks, but I ain't even have none. So whatever chicken you use, season it up real good, y'all, with some good blackened seasoning, Cajun seasoning. I'm having it in the description. Massage that in there real good and go ahead and blacken them things up. A little olive oil on the griddle. Y'all done burnt up my griddle. I think I left it on one day or something. I don't even know. Drop it in the comments if you know how to get that little burnt spot off of there. Anyway, blacken up this chicken real good. I'm gonna get this on here. Yeah, cook these. I wish I would throw some raw chicken in there, baby. Anyway, here go these sausage. I'm finna get these in the oven real quick. I just want a little texture on them. Just a little crisp. Don't do too much now. That texture in that gumbo would be everything for real. Gonna flatten them out and get them bad boys in there. Ooh, got the gumbo pot out. This motherfucker really finna get jumping now. First things first, you want to saute all your vegetables. That holy trinity, baby. Go ahead and get them bell peppers in there, them onions in there, and that celery. I ain't even show y'all, but I threw some goddamn garlic in here too. Saute that up real good, y'all. Let that get fragrant till you smell it in the house, okay? Got my chicken right here. I got that blackened up real good, little crisp on it, little dark on it. And these little brown bits right here that came from that chicken, baby, you best collect them. You best get you a bowl and put them in there because that's going to be for your roux. This finna be good. That's your flavor right there. And that's on any type of gravy, any type of anything you make. Get them brown bits, put them in there. Let's go and make this roux. I got them brown bits in there. Put me a whole stick of butter, baby. The whole stick of butter. Get your flour in there. Yeah, don't worry about it. I'm going to have this roux recipe right there in the description, y'all. Don't even worry about it. Oh, and this exact recipe is good for gravy, soup, whatever you want to make with roux. This it, y'all. It ain't nothing but butter, flour, and them brown bits. You don't even need the brown bits. You just use them if you're making some meat or something. And you done blacken the meat. Look at that thing. The key for this, y'all, is to look like wet sand. That's what I heard. It's supposed to look like wet sand. It kind of look like it right now, but we're going to get this a lot thicker and a little bit darker, y'all. And I changed to this wooden spoon because it's just a lot easier to move around, okay? But you're going to start with like a fork or a whisk or something. Just get that flour and that butter incorporated real good. Oh, look at it, y'all. It's looking like it came straight up out the jar, but no, ma'am. And I mean, it ain't no judgments. It's all good. I used to use the one out the jar too, y'all. But make this, girl. Y'all make this, Rue. Your food just going to have this authentic taste to it, you know? Okay, anyway, we're going in with about 4 or 5 cups of water over them sauteed vegetables. Now we're going in with a tablespoon of better than bouillon chicken, coming in hot with all the seasonings I had on the table. That garlic powder, onion powder, complete seasoning, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, paprika, all that, y'all. Now you're going to pour in them dry shrimp, okay? Go get your little browning seasoning, put that up in there, baby. This shit finna be so good. Stir that up, let that cook for a little while, y'all. I'm gonna let this thing simmer for at least a good 20 minutes before I put the roux in there. So I need this thing at a good temperature so that roux could just, just evaporate in that thing and get thick and Yeah, get that roux in there by a few spoonfuls at a time. Don't just dump it all in there. It get clobby at the bottom and shit. Just get it in there spoonfuls at a time. Make sure it's all mixed up. And honestly, y'all, as I'm putting mine in here now and I see how much liquid I got and how much roux I actually made, I ain't even make enough. So in the description, I'm gonna put a little more ingredients in there so y'all can make the right amount for this pot of gumbo. Cause baby, I should have made at least a half a cup more. But it's all good. We finna rock this, and I'm finna make some sweet ass cornbread. Ain't no way I'm having no gumbo without no cornbread. And yes, I'm using box Jiffy. Everything ain't gotta be homemade, goddamn. Okay, go ahead and get your little 1/4 cup of sugar. Oh, look like I added a little more than that. Mix that up, get your milk in there, your eggs. Basically, just follow the back of the box, but add you some sugar, y'all. Yes, bitch, I love me some sweet ass cornbread. I'm finna put some honey in here too. Oh, mix that up real good. Don't over mix it now, cause that thing will come out like you chewing on clay. You get that olive oil in that bundt pan. Ooh, look at them sausage, y'all. See that little crisp on them? Go ahead and get them in there, y'all. Ooh, we wrapping it up, y'all. We coming to the end. I'm so ready to eat this shit. Oh, mix that up a little bit. Look how that's looking, y'all. But I'm not gonna lie to you. I do wish I made some more roux, cause this could be a lot thicker and a lot darker. So don't mind that. Y'all follow the recipe in the description. Do as I say, not as I do sometimes. Get your butter in here, y'all, in the bottom of that bun pan, y'all. Put a little secret recipe, honey at the bottom of the bun pan. So when I flip it over, it's supposed to be all glossy, but I don't be having the best luck with these bun pan. Look at this thing. Patchy as hell. Shit, we ain't tripping. She's sweet and she's still gonna eat, okay? Okay, y'all, this part is crucial. Go ahead and get your shrimp in at the end of the cook. You probably got about 20 more minutes of cook time on your gumbo. That's when you get your shrimp in there. I can't tell you how many times I done ate some shrimp and them shrimp was like about to disintegrate in my mouth because they were so overcooked. Put them in at the end, y'all. Just let them cook with the heat, basically. Yeah, you can set that and forget that for that last 25 minutes or so, baby, because whoo, go ahead and open that, get you some gumbo filet in there. I don't know if y'all know nothing about no gumbo filet, but that go in at the end and make it thick and give it that nice Louisiana flavor, baby. Let's go. Look at this thing. Now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it could be a lot thicker than this and a lot darker than this. We already talked about that. So I don't want to hear nothing like that in the comments. I don't want to hear nothing like that in the comments. We already discussed that. Yeah, get you some green onions on that bad boy, and the rest was history. Tear that thing down. She was fire. She was bomb. I mean, amazing. More recipes to come, y'all. This one gonna be in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Turn them notifications on, cause baby, she in the kitchen and she whipping.